Hi there and welcome back. So for today's video, I am going to unbox the Sparkle & Co. October subscription box. This month's theme is Steampunk Metal. So if you are interested in enrolling in their subscription bag, you can use my referral code Jessica Gerlan and both of us will get $18 store credit from Sparkle & Co. So I'll be putting everything in the description box. So by the way, this is the I Want It All original subscription bag and it is $64.99. So let me just quickly show you the swatches of the gels and the dip powders and everything that is included in this bag. So here are the colors that I decided to use, and we'll be using 2 dip powders and one gel, the cat eye gel one. So I already applied my peel base, and we'll be also using these pieces of metal thing that they included. So I am going to start first with this color. It is called Prim Copper, and I'll be applying this on my pinky finger. I just love this glitter so much. It is those glitters that are like wet type looking. So these types of glitters are really full coverage. So this is how it looks like with just one coat. As you can see, my entire nails are covered nicely, but I'm just going to add one more layer to kind of build my structure of my nails. This color is actually one of my favorites because these glitters are so nice and sparkly. It'll also look nice when you do like those sugared nails. That would be amazing as well. So this month's bag, actually I love all of the colors. I think it is also perfect for the New Year's Eve, which is really nice. And yeah, I am just going to dust off all the excess, and then I'm going to use this other color. So this is the I Want It All dip. So this one is only, I think, included in I Want It All bags that are offered. This color is really so perfect for New Year's Eve because it does have like stars and it is so sparkly. I really love this color as well. So I'm going to apply this on my middle finger. Alright, so this is how it looks like. I only did 2 layers of this glitter and it is already super stunning. And now I am going to start applying the cat eye gel. This is their gel polish. I am going first to apply gel base and cure it in the lamp for 60 seconds and apply the gel color. So I am going to apply first the first layer and flash cure it for about 30 seconds. And then on my second layer, that's the time that I am going to use the magnet. So without curing, I am now going to use the magnet and just try to see what design would I go for, but I think I would love to have the swirls again. I'm just focusing the magnet in the sides of my nails to kind of achieve that like swirl or spiral effect, if that makes sense. But I'm just going to do that, and then after I achieve the design that I like, I am going to cure it in the lamp for 60 seconds. So I'm just going to do the same thing on my pointer finger, and I will be back. So now I am going to move on with my ring finger, and for this finger I decided to clear encapsulate these metal pieces. So I'll be using clear builder gel for that. So before I apply this builder gel, I already applied the base coat first and cure it in the lamp for 60 seconds. So without curing, I am now applying these metal pieces randomly on my nail, and yeah, I'm going to cure it in the lamp for 60 seconds and then clear encapsulate them, or I mean I'm going to add another layer of builder gel. So this is after I cured all those metal pieces. So without wiping the tacky layer, I'm now going to apply the gel top coat and cure it for 60 seconds. So builder gel is for me the perfect way to encapsulate these types of chunky pieces. So I also applying top coat underneath to make it more like clear or glass looking. So after that, I am going to cure it, and I'm done with these nails. And for the rest of my nails, I'm also going to clear encapsulate, and we'll be using the Sparkle & Co. Clear, Crystal Clear. So I'm going to apply clear on those glitters, specifically on my pinky and middle finger. And after that, I am going to activate and file and shape and top coat. And after making sure that everything is cured, this is how it looks like. I am now going to apply cuticle oil, and I am almost done. And this is how it looks like. I really love this color, especially for New Year's Eve. So yeah, make sure to check the description box, and you can use my referral code Jessica Gerlan if you're planning to roll on their subscription bag. So both of us will get $18 credit if you do that. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye!